If you play on Steam, enabling Steam Guard is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your account, your library, and your purchases. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Steam two-factor authentication, also known as Steam Guard, using both the mobile app and the email method. I'll also show you the important recovery step you should never skip. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about the best option. If you want the strongest protection, use the Steam mobile app. This is the recommended method because it ties your account to a phone you own and it gives you faster sign-ins with QR code approval. To begin, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and download the Steam mobile app. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Steam account name and password. At this point, Steam may send a verification code to your email for the first login. If that happens, check your inbox, grab the code, and enter it into the app. This is normal, and it helps Steam confirm that it's really you. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap the shield icon. This is the Steam Guard section. Inside Steam Guard, tap Add Authenticator. Steam will walk you through the setup process step by step. Follow the prompts carefully because this is the part that activates two-factor authentication for your account. After the authenticator is added, Steam will show you a recovery code. This is extremely important. Write it down right away and store it somewhere safe because if you ever lose your phone, reset your device, or remove the app, that recovery code may be the only way to get back into your account without waiting through a long support process. Now let's look at the second option, which is email-based Steam Guard. This is a good choice if you do not want to use the mobile app, but keep in mind it is not as secure or as convenient as the Authenticator method. To enable it, open Steam on your PC. In the top left corner, click Steam, then click Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Security tab. From there, click Manage Steam Guard. You'll see an option that says Get Steam Guard Codes by Email, which will require you to re-login. Select that option, then follow the verification steps Steam gives you. You may need to check your email for a confirmation message, and in some cases, restart Steam twice before the setting fully takes effect. Once it's finished, Steam will start sending login codes to your email whenever you sign in from a new device. Now here's why the 2026 Steam client makes this even easier. Once the mobile authenticator is enabled, you often do not need to type your password every single time. On the Steam login screen, you can choose Show QR Code, then scan it with the Steam app on your phone. After that, your phone will display a sign-in approval prompt. Instead of entering a 5-digit code manually, you simply tap Approve. That one-tap approval is faster, easier, and much more secure than relying on passwords alone. So, to recap, if you want the best protection, use the Steam Mobile Authenticator. If you want a simpler backup method, use email-based Steam Guard. Either way, turning on Steam Guard adds an extra layer of protection that can help keep hackers out of your account. And don't forget that recovery code step, because that's the part many people miss until it's too late. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.